do me a favor and go ahead and push that subscribe button. Thanks. January 1st, 2023. January 2nd, 2023, day 2 in Chiang Rai, heading on a bus. Pan to the bus. Heading to Chong Kong. Oh, we have a motorcycle on board. That is amazing. January 3rd, 2023. We took a brief stop. This is the Mekong River. This is the slow boat to Luau Prabang. We'll stop tonight in Pak Bang. It is January 4th, 2023. I am on a boat going to Luau Prabang. I should be there around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock? I'm not sure. We started around 9 o'clock. I need to move so this man can get on his bike. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Day 5. It is January 5th, 2023. I am here in Luau Prabang. I found these cute, colorful cruise boats. Sun has not come out yet, which is perfectly fine because it's supposed to be a slow city. It's by the river, and they have boats. January 6th, 2023. We are at the Quang Si. I am at the Quang Si. We collectively are at the Quang Si waterfall outside of Luau Prabang. Hey, we can jump. How do I make this best jump? January 7th, 2023. I am atop the Sleeping Lady hike in Nong Kiao, about 4 hours from Luau Prabang, Laos. The mini bus was interesting to get here, but it's obviously, as you can see, quite worth coming to this location. The lake, nope, what is that? The ocean? The river? No, that's all I got. It is January 7th, 2020. No, it's the 8th. January 8th, 2023. I am here, Som Nong viewpoint. Doesn't really matter. Sleeping Lady is in the distance. It's a better hike. Can't say for the view because now I can kind of see the sun. Yesterday I was not able to see the sun. I'm also able to see a lot of people, which is a downside of being anywhere that's worth visiting. Okay, let me see if I can get out of the way so I don't see each other. Today is January 9th. I may not use this video, but it doesn't hurt because I have the space. Today is January 9th, 2023. We are in again Nong Kiao. We are on a boat. The driver is way back there. It is, if I'm wrong, correct me, Nilay's birthday? Okay, I didn't expect that I was gonna mess up. No! It is Nilay's birthday, so we can see there she dropped something. January 10th, 2023. This is Pha Dang viewpoint. This makes the third viewpoint. Sleeping Lady. Down below we have the Som Nong viewpoint. This, just alone with this, I would say is my favorite. So Pha Dang would be my preferred option. It's the final day. This dog is here too. Say hi, Sabadi dog. January 11th, 2023. I got this dog with me. This dog? Okay, your dog. January 11th, 2023. I'm back in Luau Prabang and I'm gonna get a massage. I'll meet Nilay and Paula for a massage. Had some trouble with the bank today, which was frightening, but well, actually ATMs. Then I went to the bank, got that straight. So not feeling as vulnerable and weak as before. It is January 12th, 2023. I am here in Luau Prabang, the UXO Museum, UXO Center, UXO Laos Center in Luau Prabang. It details, as you will see in the video, or as I can try to explain, the unexploded ordinances. Unexploded ordinances? Yeah. From American bombers during the American-Vietnamese War. Shit, that doesn't work too well. January 13th, 2023. Anytime you look at Vang Vang, that's where I'm at, you see this damn motorcycle, which is apparently an Indonesian button motorcycle, or a Thai one. I'm quite confused. But it has the Lao flag. So I am at Nam Shai. Don't know how to pronounce the X-A-Y in Lao. Yeah, I think that's all I got. It's a good hike. Today is January 14th, 2023. I have just finished 12 Rules to Chaos. Jordan Peterson's book, 12 Rules. Highly suggest that. It's been an odd 24 hours. Yesterday, after renting a manual motorbike, I wrecked a few hours after. I was fine until I raced back because I wasn't flowing. This morning, to explain that, this morning I wrote my newest essay chronicling my travels here, or just my life. Titled it Flow Like Water. January 15th, 2023. I am here in Vientiane. These type of sites you do not get in more rural Laos or the Nong Xuyen in Laos, which I kind of miss. Today's been a weird day. I purchased the flight from Singapore to Japan. Also started doing some research about Korea. And of course I applied for, I need to do this, of course I need to do this. I applied for the Cambodian e-visa. So in an hour span, I was juggling 3 different countries in my mind. It is January 16th, 2023. I'm here in Vientiane at the Cope Center. This is another faction of the UXO Laos Center. This deals more with the rehabilitation of the people that have been affected. Far too many people still affected from the bombings by the U.S. military, the U.S. government during their secret war, the campaign, particularly on the Ho Chi Minh Trail during their bombing in the Vietnam American War. It is January 17th, 2023. Today I'm on a bus going to Tacking, I think. I was planning on going to Taxi, but I do not want to be on this bus, which has birds, stools, all the luggage you can imagine, a baguette, 2 for me, and a lot of people. A woman actually sitting on this stuff here, which is in the entire aisle. Should be there in 4 hours, but we might be going 15 miles an hour, maybe. Today is January 18th, 2023. I am here in Taxi. I finally arrived on the bus after 2 days. As I was on the bus, today actually this ride was much easier. It was faster, it was a smaller ride. I was thinking about the whole destination journey. It's not about the destination, about the journey. But here today it is about the destination, because tomorrow I can start a motorbike ride which allows me to have a different journey. And so if I'm not here and I didn't have that previous journey, I didn't get to this destination, I wouldn't have the journey tomorrow. Today is January 19th. These are the Tad Low waterfalls. We are in the Paxi motorcycle loop, the first day, the big loop. There's Nile and Hala, and there's the Tad Low waterfalls. We're looking for elephants. What else do I need to add? For the suspension bridge? January 20th, 2023. Here near the Tad Low waterfalls on the second day of the Paxi loop, motorcycle loop. I'm here with 2 of the chained elephants. That is a shame. They're dirty. The area is dirty with all this trash. And this is their living conditions because that is the way of the people that live here. They have 2 elephants. No doubt a tourist attraction for people like me. Quite nice. Waterfall. January 21st, 2023. We found the waterfall. One of them. Well, we found another one.
Oh, the mist. Lovely.
We found one. There's another. There should be 2 more. One way back over there. Requires more of a trek than this was. Well, we're getting missing. It is January 22nd, 2023. This is another waterfall. Yes, yet another waterfall. The Tad Yuang waterfall. Day 4 of the Paxi loop. Today we'll head back to Paxi. We're closer to Pak Song. And that's a waterfall. The mist is not as misty as I thought it'd be, but the sun is kind of hidden, so it's a little chilly. I think like the water will be chilly, but it's pretty. So it is January 23rd. I have a wall of cows in front of me. What if they were like horses and they just... This is Don Det, one of the 2 largest islands in the 4,000 islands down in the south of Laos, bordering Cambodia. The Mekong is here. I am on Don Det here. That is Don Con. It's very cool to see. It's very picturesque. It's kind of what you would imagine it to be. Today is January 24th, 2023. Here is a French bridge. This is Don Det. That over there is Don Con. These are the 4,000 islands in Laos. Today I've been very lazy. The weather has allowed it. It's cool. It's been windy all day. Almost felt like it was going to rain. It's been almost 3 months since I've seen rain. That would have been cool here too, but it didn't happen. It is January 25th, 2023. Here I'm on Don Det. These are some waterfalls, not the bigger, more famous waterfalls on Don Det, Don Con. Oh, I'm Don Con. That's my name, or that's where I'm at. But I'm at some waterfalls. Feeling lazy. Don't know if you can hear me because the water's loud. The water is rude. It doesn't care about what I'm saying. Oh, hello. Yep, waterfall. Waterfall right there. It is January 26th, 2023. I am here in a tube on the Mekong. Oh, in Don Det. Wait, there's Don Con. 4,000 islands. We are tubing. Unfortunately, there's no crocodiles. We were told no crocodiles because the local people eat them all. But apparently in World War II, they had them and then they ate them all in the following decades. Tubing! It's a hot day. It is January 27th, 2023. Here is the international, well, it's the land border between Laos, southern Laos, of course, and Cambodia. I lost my slip of my entry and departure slip. I have the visa, I have the stamp. Immigration did not want to stamp me. They just told me to go on to Cambodia. And so I'm leaving Laos in the border and I'm gonna go to Cambodia. Today is January 28th, 2023. I am here in Siem Reap. Yes, I forgot to take off my Malzu. That is Pre-Rup or Pre-Rup. Not exactly sure how to pronounce it. Frankly, it doesn't really matter because I'd get it wrong anyway. I'm on temple number 2 of my 3-day temple exploration. Temples of Siem Reap. It's January 29th, 2023. This is Banyan Temple in Siem Reap. This is day 2 of my explorations of the temples. Tomorrow will make the 3rd day of this pricey endeavor, $62. Did get to pay with my card, so I didn't have to pay with cash. But it might be worth it to pay the $62. January 30th. This is day 3 of the temple exploration and the last day in Siem Reap too. Tomorrow I'll look to get a bus to Phnom Penh, but today more temples or gates. More gates and temples. It is January 31st, 2023, last day of this month, and I'm headed to Phnom Penh. All of us on this bus are headed to Phnom Penh. It's about a 6-hour bus ride, agonizingly long, but actually not long at all in relation to previous buses. Nonetheless, it is a bore. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please watch more. Otherwise, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.